I'm going to boost my tests. Thoughts of taking Enclomiphene and Anastrozole. So, yeah, that would boost your testosterone and lower your estrogen levels with conversion. Make sure you're getting a blood test and make sure it's by a medical provider that's certified and knows what they're doing. I mean, but I had a couple of people come in the other day, two guys, and they were talking about how they're taking Enclomiphene and it raised their point level of total testosterone. I think the guy said he had like a 246 and it raised to like a 623 or something like that. So Enclomiphene is going to be really good with raising natural testosterone levels. You got to make sure the anastrozole is correct though, because Enclomiphene is not like testosterone where it's going to shoot up a lot and convert really heavy. Some people are different, but at that point, you need a blood test, re-blood test, make sure you're good there. And, Enclomiphene will boost testosterone levels. But at that point, you might want to go on testosterone depending on your age and what the number was at and all that good stuff. You can always start with Enclomiphene, see how you feel. But the main thing that people tell me is I felt a little bit better and my numbers jumped up, but I don't feel the ultimate best I think I could possibly feel. And then that's when we really start talking about some other different things.
Is it Gibson? Hey, Gibson. Last one is Gibson. Let me know what your testosterone levels are at right now that made you decide to do that.
Yeah. And if you guys need any of this help, nationwide, Type Medical Center can service you guys. You just call the number and we'll take care of you, whatever it is. Gibson said my test was at 449 and estradiol is at 27.3. Okay. I mean, so your estradiol.
I'm just glad he did it. I'm glad he tested.
Yeah, no, for sure.
I go to Gold's Gym Venice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like.
Yeah. It's pretty much in every one of those gyms. So you're going to get people that just want to jump on things too as well.